Get 25% off on your next dash cam. Details inside. Hey guys, today I'm going to take a quick look at Toguard's CE70 2.5K rear view mirror dash cam. This is not meant to be a full tutorial, but merely an overview of the camera for those of you who are shopping around or interested in buying a rear view mirror dash cam. You can also shop at Toguard.cc and use my discount code BREAKAWAY2X to get 25% off your order. Check the description below for details. This is a unique dash camera in that it functions as both your dash camera and your rear view mirror, using its 12-inch LCD touchscreen to display both the front and the rear camera video on your mirror. I'll show some video samples at the end. So in the box you get the rear view mirror camera itself, as well as the rear camera, which comes with an optional parking assistance hardwiring kit. You'll have your 12-volt power car adapter, an optional GPS for logging, a sticker and some rubber bands for mounting this camera over your existing rear view mirror, the user manual, and some adhesives and screws for your rear camera. So you'll get a 12-inch massive LCD touchscreen, which also has voice control options. And you'll be able to use it both as your rear view mirror and a display to see video from your front camera and the rear camera in a split screen mode. I found the design to be exceptionally sleek and beautiful. It feels pretty solid and heavy. You've got your mics in the bottom, power cable, AV in, memory card and GPS jacks at the top. It can support up to 128GB memory cards. I would recommend a U3 Class 10 card. Check the description down below for links on where you can get these cards. So now I'm just going to plug it in and power it up for you to simulate what it's going to look like when it's connected to your car and powered on. I'm going to use a portable battery from Goal Zero model Yeti 150. This is a very handy portable battery to take around with you anywhere you go when you don't have power. It comes with a 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports, and an AC jack, and I've been using it for many years. It's very convenient to have. So you can also check the links down below in the description for where you can get one of these. It doesn't cost you anything more, but they are affiliate links, so it does help me out. So I'm also going to plug in the rear view camera in the AV in slot. And once everything's plugged in and ready to go, I'm going to power on the portable battery, which simulates you turning on the car. And as soon as you do that, the dash camera will automatically turn on and begin recording. And right away you can see the LCD monitor and the video from the camera. The options in the menu include things like G-sensor, you can control the sensitivity, parking guard, screensaver, key voice, speaker, boot sound, stream media, the languages available, some of which include, of course, English, Chinese, Russian, German, French, Spanish, Italian. Date and time, format your memory card, or reset back to default settings and see the version. And I'll briefly show you how to attach the rear view camera over your car's existing rear view camera using the rubber bands. They include some extra rubber bands just in case, but you only need to use 2. So you'll simply wrap the rubber band ends around the hook on the dash camera. And wrap it around your existing rear view mirror on your car. And secure it or fasten it by hooking the rubber band into the other end of the hook. So it'll look something just like this once you have it mounted over your existing car's rear view mirror. It's a really gorgeous rear view mirror camera, as you can see. Now I'm going to show you some sample footages from the front camera, daytime and night. Just note that for testing purposes, I left my car's original dash camera on, so that's why you can see it in the sample footage. But normally the view would be 100% unobstructed. And some footage from the rear view camera. In my case, I decided not to mount it on the outside of the car, nor hardwire it for parking assist, because of testing purposes only. So I have it affixed on the inside of my rear view window. So you can place the rear view camera closer to the window than compared to mine, but this gives you a rough idea of what the video quality looks like. And I was very impressed by both the front and the rear. The front records in 2.5K and the rear in 1080p, dual recording simultaneous. And as you can see in the footage, the video was smooth, sharp, and crisp, so I was very impressed with the quality of the video. Overall, I thought this camera is a wonderful, beautiful looking dash camera, a unique style because it serves as a rear view mirror dash camera. Almost inconspicuous because you might not notice that there's a camera in your car. You don't see one stuck on the windshield, but they may not realize that your rear view mirror is a camera itself. So if you're in the market looking for one, I'd highly recommend one of these. Take a look at this model and check out the website www.toguard.cc, and don't forget you can use my discount code breakaway2x to get 25% off your orders. Feel free to share it with your friends and family, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer any questions, and I hope this video was helpful for anyone out there. Please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe for more. And until next time.